Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This look is just a really pretty springtime glam look using the Rimmel Magnifeyes Crimson Edition palette. This is what it looks like. It is just so pretty. I love it. I love all the shades. In this tutorial, I'm not doing a voiceover just because I don't want to torture you guys with me trying to describe the shades. So I will show you guys what shades I use and have them all linked down, like every product linked down below that I showed in the video. And I'm just going to throw like a fun song over this. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know down below if you like this type of video. I'm just trying something new here. So if you like this style, I'll keep doing more of these. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.